Good morning, student. Once again, welcome to our subject mathematics, standard 7, chapter number 13, 13.1 exercise. Yes, my dear student, exponent, power and exponent. The lesson is here. Question number 1. You can just see the questions of the exercise 13.1, or you can open your textbook. We will go for the solutions or answers of these questions. There are question number 1. Find the value of this one. Base is 2 and exponent is 6. Yes, my dear student. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 8 questions. See the answers of 8 questions are here. See the answer number 1. 2 raised to 6. How to read out, student? 2 raised to 6. That means 2 has to repeat 6 times. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Yes, my dear student, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32, and 32 to the 64 is the answer. Easy? Yes, 9 raised to 3. That means 9 has to repeat 3 times. That's a power. Yes, exponent. So 9 into 9 into 9, 9 9s are 81, 89 ones are 729. You can do the rough work and find out like this way. 11 raised to 2, 11 into 11, 121. Correct. Fourth one, 5 raised to 4, 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125, 125 5s are 625. Correct. So second question is vice versa, opposite of this one, first questions. You can see 6 into 6 into 6 into 6, 4 times 6, that's 6 raised to 4. And t into 2, that means t raised to 2, t 2 times. B, that means b raised to 4. Here 2 numbers are there, don't worry about the 2 numbers, 5 and 7. 5 is repeated 2 times and 7 repeated 3 times. Easy? Yes, very good. Now we are knowing ABCD also. Now third question is 512. How to get the 512? That's a divisions on the raised to. We can see here. See the student? Can you see? Yes, 512 is divided in ladder method. 256, 253 divided by the 2, that's 128, 120 divided by 2, it gives me 64, 64 divided by 2, it gives me 32, 32 divided by 2 gives me 16, 16 divided by 2 gives me 8, 8 divided by 2 gives me a 4, and 4 divided by 2 gives me a 2, and 2 divided by 2 gives me a 1. There are 9 times 2, 2, 2, 2 is repeated. Okay, students? Yes, very good, students. So same numbers are repeating. So here are the example of 343 and 729 also. Easy? Will you try it yourself? Yes, that's the confidence. Yes, 3125 also is there. Okay, here also 3 repeated numbers. Same numbers are repeated here. So your answer is so easy. But for the thousands, 100 into 100, that means 10,000s. 2 raised to 100. Oh, which is the bigger one, student? 2 into 2 into 2, so many big one. So we can say 10 raised to 100 raised to 2 is smaller than 2 raised to 100. Yes, who is greater we have to find out. Smaller number we can find 2 raised to 8 and 8 raised to 2. 8 raised to 2, 64, and 2 raised to 8 gives me 256. Yes, greater than who is greater we can find out very easily. See the question number 5, first one. 2 is repeated 3 times and 3 repeated 4 times. Is it? See the student, here is the answers. Right side, ladder method are given. 648 divided by 2. Here is the answer, students. See, you can do it on the side, not rough work. Yes, and you will get it 2 raised to 3 and 3 raised to 4. Is it? Easy? Very nice, very nice. See, 405 also divided in this way. We can get it 5 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, 4 times. Correct. Look at here. One more, 540. Yes, 540 also divided like 3 numbers are there. Don't worry, 3 multiplies. 2 raised to 2 into 3 raised to 3 multiplied by 5. All multiplied like that way. 3600 is equal to 2 raised to 4 multiplied by 3 raised to 2 multiplied by 5 raised to 2. Is it? Yes, easy. You can take the screenshots also, no problem. 6 numbers question. Yes, my dear students, 6 answers are here. 2 into 10 raised to 3. That means 2 and 10 3 times. 10 into 10 into 10. 2000. 7 raised to 2 into 2 raised to 2. 7 into 7 into 2 into 2. 196. Is it? See the fourth question. 3 into 4 raised to 4, that is also easy, don't worry about it. But look at the interesting question, fifth one. 0 into 10 raised to 2. So 0 into 10 into 10. So 10 tens are 100. But whenever you multiply any number with 0, it will be a 0. Okay? So no need to do any calculation. You can try directly. Very easy question. Once again now, very interesting question of 7th one. Minus numbers. What about the minus numbers, students? I already said when the exponents are even numbers, the answer is a positive number. Even if it is a question is negative number. See the first question. Minus 4 raised to 3. 3 is the exponent, it's a odd number. Our answer should be minus. Clear? So answer is minus 64. Isn't it? Whenever minus 3 into minus 2 raised to 3. Minus 2 raised to 3 is an odd number. Answer is minus 8. But minus 8 into minus 3 will give me 24 plus. Whenever even numbers of minus, it gives me a positive number. Correct? Very good, very good. Now look at a point wala number. 2.7 into 10 raised to 12 and 1.5 10 raised to 8. Comparing both the one. First of compare the numbers, no, but exponent. 10 raised to 12 or 10 raised to 8. Who is bigger one? 10 raised to 12. That's why this number is greater. Here also 3 and 4. 17 is there. Better. 17 is there. Suppose first number is smaller. Don't worry. Check the exponent. Who is the greater? Is it? See, here is the 14 and here is the 17. So 17 is greater than 14. Now look at the questions of 13.2. See, here are the questions of 14.2. There is a big answer for 13.2. But listen the questions carefully. I am showing the questions. Using laws of the exponents, simplify and write the answer in exponential form. 3 raised to 2 into 3 raised to 4 into 3 raised to 8. Can you find one common thing is here? Yes, base are common. Whenever the base are common, as per our exponential rule or laws, we should have to add exponents. Base remains same. Yes, same one. Whenever the base are different, try to make the base are equal. Or whenever the exponents are equal, common. Equal means common. You can take out, multiply the base. See the answer of 13.2. Now we will discuss in detail. See the first rule, a raised to m into a raised to n, which gives me a raised to m plus n. Because of this rule we can say, do you know what the meaning of this one? Because 3 dots like this way. Because this is this one, that's why it is acceptable. This is a maths. And I already said number of times, maths is not accepted any wrong answers or any imagined answers. You should have to prove it. So because of this rule, this is the point. Dabgola no chale. Okay, 3 into 3 into 3, that's 3 common. Now 2 plus 4 plus 8, all exponents addition. Can you see properly or you want the expansions? Okay, I want to show it little bit the expansion mode or a little big size. Correct. Now you can see it properly. But whenever the division is there, both the base are common, you should have to take base common and divisions means subtraction. Exponent subtraction. 15 minus 10, that gives me a 5. 6 raised to 5. Whenever number A, B, C, D are variables, very simple. Yes, my dear student, x plus 2. See, the next thing is here. Yes, power of power. Don't worry. Power of power means multiply. 2 raised to 3. Correct. 2 raised to 3, 6. 6. 5 raised to 6 divided by 5 raised to 3. That gives me 6 minus 3. 5 raised to 3. Yes, here is the both the power are common. See, power is common. 5, 5. Can you see here? And base are different. 2 and 5. Don't worry. This rule is here. कौन सा rule है बेटा? A raised to m into B raised to m. Both m are there. Is equal to A into B. Whatever the sign is there, you can multiply or divide. A raised to B into A into B raised to m. Isn't it? Easy? Yes, 2 5s are 10. A into B. 4 are common. So A into B, B is to 4. Power of power, that is multiplied. Yes, my dear student, here new things are there, multiplied and divided together. Don't worry. First, we can do step by step. Mathematics is the subject. You should have to go through the point wise, or step by step. Don't jump directly. Yes, we can do any one action at a time. So first we can select the divisions. Yes, B mass. Remember this word? Yes, 20 minus 15, which gives me a 5. Now 2 raised to 5 and 2 raised to 3. Both the bases are common. 2 raised to 5 plus 3 is equal to 2 raised to 8. Over? Yes, very good students. So here T minus 2, correct? Okay, very good questions. 2 raised to 3 into 3 raised to 4 multiplied by 4 upon 3 raised to 32. First of all, make it a prime factorizations or select the 2, 3 or 4 only. So in place of 32, can I write 2 raised to 5? Why? 2 is repeated 5 times, which gives me 32. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32. Is it easy? Yes, right, dear students. So now you have 2, 3, 2. In place of 4, can I write here 2 raised to 2 students? See here the two things are there, 2 raised to 2 and 32 is here 2 raised to 5. इसको इसके हिसाब से बना दिया बेटा. Yes or not? Yes, correct. Rest of things are common. Now check it. 2 multiply or divide. This 2 has the common. Yes. 2 3 plus 2 5 and here 5 is there. Both the 5s are there. 2 raised to 5, 2 raised to 5. Yes, minus and then after second minus. 2 raised to 0 into 2, 3 raised to 3. Third step. And we are knowing any number raised to 0 is equal to 1. कोई भी एक्सपोनेंट का 0 होगा उसका वैल्यू 1 हो जाएगा. कोई भी नंबर हो, any number. ये 2 or 20,000 or any number हो. Yes. 1 into 3 raised to 3. That's answer. 3 raised to 3. 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 9 9 is 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27 is the answer. Correct. See the next one, second one is also easy. 5 are there, no need to convert anyone. But here 2 times multiplied, 6 plus both multiply 4, 10 minus 7, easy. 25 and 5. But student, here 25 we cannot write, we can convert into 5. So 5 5s are 25, easy. And raised to 4 as it is. In place of 25, I can write here 5 raised to 2. Yes, very good. And 4 is already present there. Yes. Now exponent 2 into 4. Yes, 8. 5 raised to 8 divided by 5 raised to 3. So here 5 raised to 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3 gives me a 5. So 5 raised to 5 is the answer. Correct. Look at here. All the prime numbers are there. Yes. 2, 3, 7. 21 is not a prime number. Convert it. 21 is a 3 into 7. Because I want 3 and 7, whatever given in numerator side. Yes, my dear students. So 3 minus 3, divide it or cut it directly. We are knowing cutting. And 7 raised to 2 minus 1 and 8, 11, 8 minus 3. Altogether 7, 1 into 7 into 11 raised to 5. Here 3, no problem. First divide signs. Add it. 7, 7. We are knowing both the numbers are same. What we will give here? Answer will be 1. Of fifth answer, see the fifth answer 1 how came? 3 raised to 7 minus 7 is equal to 3 raised to 0. Just now I said 2 raised to 0 also 1, 3 raised to 0 also 1, or 30 raised to 0, 1. Okay? Any number raised to 0, 1. Yes, my dear student, very good question is here. 2 raised to 0 plus 3 raised to 0 plus 4 raised to 0. These types of questions will ask in an exam and number of students will make 100% mistake. See both the questions 6 and 7. Carefully. 1 plus and second is multiplied. So 1 plus 1 plus 1, answer is 3. 6 question 1 into 1 into 1, 3 times 1. Don't say 3. It's say 1 only. 1 into 1, 1, 1 into 1. Finished? Yes. Same way here, they can ask in group. Don't worry. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 into 1 is 2. And B, 2, whatever the numbers are there, you can find out very easily. If the variables are there, very easy for you to convert it. Easily correct. When numbers and variables are there, little bit careful and try to write the perfectly. Yes. 12. 2 raised to 4 into 2. Why 2 raised to 4 into 2? Because in bracket 2 raised to 3 and multiply by 2 only. 2 only means there is a 1 exponent. Student, here be careful. Two raised to 3 multiply by 2. Base is common, but in second number only 2 is given, nothing is not specified. That means 1 should be there. Yes. So now 2 is common. 2, 3 plus 1, which gives me a 4. And 4 raised to 2, 4 2s are 8. ये दोनों का मल्टीप्लाई होगा बेटा, ब्रैकेट के बाहर है इसके लिए. Yes. 10 raised to nothing, the 10 raised to 1 is there, 10 raised to 11, which gives me 100 raised to 11. Why? 10 times 100. Is it or not? Yes. So left side, right side we have to check out. Left side my 10 raised to 12, but right side is my 10 raised to 2 raised to 11. Student, here be careful. 100 को हमने 2 में डिवाइड कर दिया बेटा. 10 tens are 100 because I want to compare with this one. Yes, correct. So left side is this much and right side is 22. Left side is 12 and right side is 22. That's why LHS is not equal to RHS. This is the symbol of not equal to, student, because left side 10 raised to 12 बना और right side क्या मिला मुझे बेटा 22. By simplifying, I can got it. This one, are they both are equal? No. Check these both exponents. 12 and 22 never equal. Is it? Good. 2 raised to 3 and multiply by 3 raised to 2 is equal to 6 raised to 5. बेटा इसको हमको नंबर ढूंढना पड़ेगा. 72 मिलेगा, राइट साइड पे जाएगा. ओ वाह, बहुत बड़ा नंबर मिलेगा. Are they equal? 72 and 7776? No. 3 raised to 0 is equal to 1000 raised to 0. This is my question, my favorite question of this one. Your also. कोई भी नंबर के ऊपर 0 आया 1. Left side 1, right side 1. So both are equal. Good. Fourth question. How to make it this one? Yes, my dear student, our ladder method, we should have to take out. Yes, 108 and 992 both का एक साथ चलेगा. We will get the answers here. To 1 you have to divide. Yes, 2 into 2 2 times, 3 into 3 3 times. Second one 192 का कितना हो बेटा 2 6 times and 3 1 time. Now all the brackets are there. Combine 2 into 2 and 3 into 3 wala. Yes, 2 plus 8 6, that gives a 8, and 3 plus 1 4. Answer is with you. Same way 270. Very easy one. One number is there. Yes, whenever two numbers are there, you have to use the ladder method here. It is given right side. But you should have to remember the divisibility test for 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 9, 10, 11, etc. Whatever you studied in 6th standard. Even number, odd number है, फटाफट कर देने का है. Yes, my dear student. Now there is no time for this standard to remember that one. Revise. You will do very fast. Isn't it? This method you have to show it. Then after only you will get the answers. 768. Very simple. Even number है तो 2 से तो आएगा. Yes. See the 5th question. Observe carefully, step by step. 2 into 2 raised to 5 into 2. 7 raised to 3. Divide by 2 raised to 3 into 3 raised to 3. Why? In place of 8, I can write 2 raised to 3. Why I am writing this one? Because on the numerator side, there are 2 and 7 and denominator 8. 8 is not a prime number. We can make it prime numbers. Yes, my dear student, not prime number. According to our requirement, 2 I needed. So 2 raised to 3, I can use it. Correct. 10 minus 9. Yes. 2 into 7 raised to 2. 2 into 49 is equal to 98. Second one. Check it easily. In place of 25, I can write 5 raised to 2. In place of 10, I can write 5 to 2. Yes or no? Because my requirement is 5. Whatever the 2 is remain, no problem. 2 raised to 3, that means 8. Next, third one. To whom I want to convert? Yes, 10 and 25. दोनों को convert कर दिया बेटा. In place of 10, I can write 2 into 5. Yes, correct. So try to understand what the steps are given. Very easy lesson. Step by step you follow, you will get the answer. 2 raised to 0 into 3 raised to 0 into 5 raised to 0. 1 into 1 into 1. Don't write 3. That's a 1 only. Correct. Very good, student. Here we end up our exercise 13.2. Last exercise is there, 13.3. See, student, questions 13.3. Very easy one, but it is very useful to our daily life. See, write the following numbers in the expanded form. Find the numbers from each of the following expanded form. इस expanded form में से उल्टा कर दिया, vice versa है बेटा. Is it? Yes. Next, third question. Express following number in standard form. Oh, why it is standard form? Just we will discuss in the answers. Standard form means nothing. Don't write these big numbers. You can show it with multiplications of decimal point. See, the decimal point of these numbers are here at last. Number point are not given, that means decimal point is lying at last. And standard form means one number multiply with the number. Suppose we can take out this one. My decimal point is here, student. For this one already given here and here. इस दोनों में दिया है last second में. 5th and 6th में दिया है, आंसर में पॉइंट दिया है. Now I want to write this number 39087.8. उसको ऐसे नहीं लिखते बेटे, उसको कैसे लिखते हैं? You should have to write one number and then point, and then after one or two numbers, or multiply with the 10 raised to something. So here when you are jumping, 1, 2, 3 and 4 jumps are needed for this one. Isn't it? तो आएगा मेरा 3.90878 and multiply with 10 raised to 4. ये होगा मेरा आंसर. देखते बेटा कैसे आएगा आंसर. We can see afterwards. Express the number appearing in the following statement in standard forms. Distance between Earth and Moon is this much. Standard form में लिखने का बेटा. Very good questions are there. You have the textbook where A to J are given. Yes. So let's check our answers. 13.3's answers are here. See, expanded form means nothing. Yes, third, fourth standard you did this one. Start from the ones. Yes, 4 only. Second, 2 tens, 2 numbers. 0 is always 2, 0, 3, 0, whatever the numbers, 1, 0 is enough. 4, that means 400. 9 place, 1000 place, that's 9,000. 7 to 70,000 and 2 to 2 lakh. In place of 2 lakh, I can write 2 into lakh. Yes. In place of 70,000, can I write 7 into 10,000? Why not? 70,000 is already there. Yes. So can I write 2 into 10 raised to 5, 7 into 10 raised to 4, 9 into 10 raised to 3, 4 into 10 raised to 2, and 0 into 10 raised to 2. At last, 4 into 10 raised to 0. 10 raised to 0, that means 1. So 4 into 1. Isn't it? So 1 place, 10 place, 100 place, 1000 place, 10,000 place, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, lakh, etc. You have the answer for these ones. In this method only. Correct. See the answers. Try yourself. Very best way. And ulta. 8 into 10 raised to 4. Question number 2. Vice versa. 6 into 10 raised to 3. 0 into 10 raised to 2. 0 always. You have the number 86,045. 86,045 is the answer. Yes, B. C, B. Answer number 3. I said just now in the expandations form. See over my fifth answer I did here. दिखाई दिया बेटा? Yes. One number then point. If it is there are numbers then write, otherwise no need to write. 5 into 10 raised to 7. My course 5 के पीछे 7 zeros है. जितने जीरो इसको 10 raised to कर दो बेटा. कितने जीरो 7 के पीछे? B second answer में बेटा. Yes, 7 into 10 raised to 6. 3, 1, 8, 6, 5 and 5 zeros. Don't worry. What you will write here? 3.1865 multiply with the 4 because I selected 4 only. And पीछे 5 जीरो तो पढ़ा ही है. देख लो इधर बहुत बढ़िया अच्छी तरह से समझाया. So 4 plus 5, 9. Or you can take out a jumping. Point is here. Jump कितने jump लगाएंगे बेटा? 9 jump चाहिए उसको. कितने jump चाहिए बेटा? 9 jumps. And up to 3.1865. And 10 raised to 9. Look at here, next question. Whatever the number, big number, but one number is first before the decimal point. Clear? Yes. Up to there you have to jump. Now last but not least answer is here. 78 is given. So 10 raised to 3 will come. The distance between earth and moon is this much. What we will do first? Number one side, zeros वाला afterwards. एक के पीछे लगा दो जीरो बेटा. कोई घबराने की बात नहीं. और क्या लगा देंगे पीछे? मीटर. How many zeros are there? Yes, 8. Not 8, but 6 are there. And point is now 384. Where is my point? My point is here. After 4. I want to jump to 1 and 2. I will come at between 3 and 8. So 3 and 8, that means 3.84 multiplied by 10 raised to 8. 8 कैसे हो गया बेटा? इधर 2 है और इधर है 6. 2 plus 6, 8. Is it? Correct. Speed of light in vacuum. Have you imagined the speed of light? A sun rays take more than 8 minutes to reach from sun to earth. Yes, my dear student. And what the imagine speed? 3 lakh meter per second की स्पीड से चलता है वो. Light ray speed is this much. 3 lakh meter per second. Imagine whose speed is that? That's why we can say we cannot catch the light. Diameter of the earth. Very big one answer beta. One, 2, 7, 5, 6 and 000. I can make it 0 separate and number separates. 1.2756 multiplied by 10 raised to 7. Is it easy? Or you want to check it? Huh? No. Last one, not B. Just check out. 14. Only 1 4. So 1.4 you can take and then after you can multiply. So no need to give this statement also. You can directly give the answer, student. No? If you have the 1 mark questions, don't write this statement. Directly you can write this one. First one and last one. Middle wala don't want to write. 1 mark. 2 mark is there. Write it. Years of universe. कितने साल हो गए हमें यूनिवर्स को बेटा? 1.2 into 10 raised to 10 years. कितने साल हो गए? Distance of the sun from the center of the Milky Way of galaxy. और galaxy is there and sun का कितना distance से दिखाया? 3 into 10 raised to 20 meter. Imagine. Number of molecules in a drop of water weighing it 1.8 gram gm. कितने molecules? 6.023 into 10 raised to 22. Avogadro number. In science you will learn these things. The earth has sea water. कितना है बेटा? इतना सारा water है. Kilometer cube. And population of India. Number 1, not number 2. China is number 1. See. Okay. So here we end up our lesson. Say Bye bye. Take care. Thank you.